Hi everyone! In this video we're going to draw a cute giraffe. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's begin. I start with drawing an oval for the head, 2 triangles for the ears and 2 horns.
Wow!
Here is a curvy line and I'm placing 2 nostrils and a mouth under it. Here are 2 curvy lines for the eyes.
Hooray!
And now let's draw the body. Here's the long neck, the back legs, the first one and the second one.
Looks good!
Now let's draw the front legs. So we've got 3 legs so far and this is the 4th one. A curvy line for the tummy and something is missing, right? Yeah, the tail.
I love it!
Now let's add some details. Here are 4 lines on the legs for the hooves. And I'm going to draw spots.
Hooray!
In total, I've got 9 spots.
Good job!
Now with a thinner black marker, I'm adding more details, which are small triangles on the ears and eyelashes.
Wow!
Oh, it's my favorite time to color. And I color the giraffe with...
Green. Oopsie.
Are you sure it's green? Shall we try one more time?
Yay! Pink.
I don't think it's pink. Come on, you know colors so well. One more try.
Orange.
That's right, good job. This color is orange.
Hooray! I love it.
Now with a brown marker, I'm going to color the inner parts of the ears, the tip of the tail, and the hooves.
Good job!
And let's not forget about the spots, and let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job! Now let's color in the area where the nostrils and the mouth is.
Looks good!
And let's add some blush with pink.
Wow!
Oh, this drawing looks so cute. Now let's spell word giraffe. It's G-I-R-A-F-F and E. Good job, everybody. Here is a heart from me to you for the job well done, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye!